Good day Mindanao, good day Holy Crossians. This is the Riverian Sentinel News, giving you the latest updates, without bias and without exception, only right and just. And for the headlines, Philippine inflation rate slows further to 1.8% as of March. The Philippine Statistics Authority reported the inflation rate of the Philippines continuing its deceleration streak for the second month, slowing further to 2% due to easing of movements and food transport costs as of March. The PSA chief and national statistician Claire Dennis Mapa stated that the reason for the low rates of inflation this March than February was due to the slow pace of rising prices of food and non-alcoholic drinks from 2.2% to 2.6%. As she also reported the increase of prices on consumer goods stopping at 1.8%. The main contributor of the slow inflation rate are the slower prices of rate of food and non-alcoholic beverages at 2.2%, followed by the index of transportation from negative 1.1% to 0.2%, and the index of restaurants and accommodation services at 2.3% from 2.8%. NEDA Secretary Arsenio Basilacan stated that the continued decline in inflation indicates the effectiveness of the government's proactive measurements to stabilize prices. He added that the Marcos administration will continue to implement strategies to safeguard the purchasing power of Filipinos as the continuing decline of inflation rate. In 5 years, March 2025 has the slowest inflation rate in nearly 5 years, settling at 1.6% in May 2020. Hopefully, the down rate of inflation continues up until the following months.